Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. Today is the second part of making a light box or diffuser box. Last week I have uploaded the first part of the making process of this frame. You can see this is the frame for light box made from a plastic bucket, white color plastic bucket. I have made a base and the platform for the subject. So if you haven't seen the last episode on the light box, please watch the first part of this video. I am giving the link below. So you can see how I have made this light box for tabletop studio. Today I'll finish this with the diffuser material and the lighting system. I'll show you step-by-step process for finishing of this light box for my tabletop studio. You can see there are two openings, one in this side and other one on that side. So what I'll do, I'll put the diffusion material, a white color plastic sheet. You can see there are two shades for these two sides. I'll fix this plastic sheet as a diffusion material for this light box. Let me show you how you do it. I'm going to fix one part over here like this, and I'll fix it with a paper tape first, then I'll show you the rest other side. Let me put this white tape to fix this in place. Now you can see I have fixed this white color plastic diffuser material on the openings of this frame. So this is the main diffuser part for this light box. So this just I fixed it with a paper tape. Now what I'm going to do, I'm putting a stronger plastic tape around it so that it doesn't fall off. I finally secured this white color plastic diffuser material with this white tape all around its surface so that it is now strong and safe and secure. So next step is to put the light over here for illuminating inside the box. Putting light is very simple and very easy because these days there are lots of LED light available in the DIY store or any electrical stores. I'll be using a cascade of LED light. You can see for illuminating the diffuser box. These LED lights are very cheap. Each LED light cost me about 40 cents. I'll be putting 15 light over here and 15 light on the other side. Let me show you step by step putting this light for this light box. Let me keep it aside. I'll be fixing this LED lights on this ring. This is another plastic ring. I cut it from part of this another box of this white color bucket. I'll be fixing this LED light inside this plastic ring like this. You can see. Then I'll make an electrical connection for this LED lights. It's very simple. There are glue, you can see it's coming off. There are glue inside this light, so I don't have to put anything or any screw or any other additional glue material. I'll just open the paper and just fix it over here. So let me show you how I do it. Now I'm going to fix this cascade of LED light on this plastic ring. First I'll pull off this paper. I'm going to pull off this paper and fixing this light over here. I will show you when I fix it. You can see I fixed this LED light inside this plastic ring. There is some glue on this strip as I have shown before, so I don't need to put any extra screw or anything for this fixing this LED light inside this ring. These LED lights run on 12 volt DC. So all you have to do is buy an adapter for transferring the voltage from your wall plug to this LED lights. So either you can use a transformer or an adapter which can give you a 12 volt electricity from your wall point. So if you have a 220 volt on your wall, so you have to step down to 12 volt with an adapter. If you have 110, you'll have to find an adapter which will convert the 110 AC to 12 volt. I'm done with the wiring of this LED light. All the connections I have made, and this is the adapter for step down from 220 volt to 12 volt for this LED light. So let me fix this. These are the loose wires. I'll have to wrap it around like this and put a tape on the back side so that it is nice, tight and secure. Let me finish this job first. I have finished the wiring and tidying up this LED light, cascade of LED light. See, I have given a white color plastic tape so that the loose wires are underneath. So this is complete. Let me put this light in power with this transformer. You see the light. So I have done with this lighting system for my light box or diffuser box. Let me fix it over. I just put it like this. This will give it a very nice soft light inside this light box, and I can take excellent pictures with diffused light inside this box. So this is final, this is done. So I have done with this light box making. This is very simple. If you want to make one of yours, you can follow my instructions, watching my two videos side by side so that you can make it yourself. If you have any question about this diffuser box, please put in the comment. I'll be answering all your questions regarding this light box making process. In my next video, I will show how to use this light box in different ways. How to put the light, how to use flash, and how to make photographs within this light box. I'll be using both live subject and still subject for product photography. If you like my techniques, if you like my DIY techniques for tabletop studio equipments, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Stay connected. Bye bye.